John Lewis is an employee-owned business. We've got product teams set up, we've got agile ways of working, we are very responsive to business need. We kind of want to evidence that, and you want to be able to see what next, where do you want to go? So just understanding how well are we doing as an organisation, and where else can we improve, what do we need to do to take us to the next level.
What DX gives us is just that picture of actually what all our engineering profession looks like, and understand how we might be able to drive good engineering practice and put effort in where it's needed. We just think by taking away those pain points and understanding what they are, we can deliver more benefit to the business.
Really proud of the fact that it was really easy to implement. So people got onboarded with it really quickly. We talked individually to different leaders within delivery and engineering, and just explained the benefits of it, and then talking to teams, and just people adopted it really easily. So I think it's enabling teams to capture their challenges, their successes, what went well, what hasn't gone well locally, which I think is really important. And then also at a global scale or at a domain scale. So whether it's within digital, whether it's within customer, just being able to see it over multiple teams and being able to view the bigger picture and then have discussions at that level with the relevant leadership team is really important as well.
The overall strategy is to incorporate it into our ways of working. So at a team level, it's something that is just seamless to their kind of ways of working, in the same way that a typical agile team has a set of ceremonies, they do retros, all of that kind of thing. We want kind of DX to be a natural part of the conversation within those teams.
We encourage teams to look at their own results, part of retrospectives or their own processes. And then at a department level, we then produce analysis and talk to delivery to understand where we might be able to help prioritise different types of work in the coming quarter. And then beyond that, we look at things across the whole organisation where maybe the engineering profession or leadership even higher up can help us address pain points.
Without me having to go and talk to all of them individually and find out, what are you working on? How are things going? What are the challenges? I'm able to use the data from DX to prompt those conversations. So I can say, okay, I can see that you've got some challenges here. Can we have a conversation about that? I use DX then to sort of analyse and look into any sort of challenges or the experiences of the engineers within that space. So looking at it from an analyst point of view, from a engineering profession, specialism lead point of view, but also then in customer specifically, how can I support the teams in that area? What are the challenges that they're facing? Where can I get involved and start escalating things or helping them in different ways?
I think that evidences the success of DX in that everyone talks about it, and everyone talks about it at team level, and they said, oh, the DX results said this is now what we're focusing on. So it definitely, over the course of the last year, it has been impressive in how it has become part of daily conversation. I think from a leadership context, it's seen as a key measure of how well we're doing.
And obviously people are understanding the value of it, which it kind of speaks for itself.
To see that level of engagement and give us the level of insight that we didn't have before has proved really useful.